welcome to another episode of Car Vibes. Co-host Mandel driving.
In a cab today.
And yeah, I think you haven't been in a cab for a while. And Julie, your host, and we're heading to downtown Kingston.
And I like that.
Mandel's most unpopular or not favorite place to be. But the price is right, bargaining always going on, and you get what you need.
True.
Yeah, so we're heading down there to see what we can get, you know. Oh, got that. See this?
Are they sitting where you're eating?
Don't watch the discoloration of the lip.
Need to teach you to brush teeth properly, you know.
This is not my teeth, this is my lip. My teeth is perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine.
Need to teach you to brush your lip.
So we had something with, what's that called?
No.
Egg powder and yeah, this change our lip color. But put it that aside. We're going downtown to see if we can get some fresh veggies, even though it's Saturday and we all know that fresh veggies only come like on a Thursday. So we're gonna try our luck to see.
Me, I know.
We're gonna try our luck to see if we can get some fresh veggies. We've been eating meat for quite some time and we think it's time for a change. Yeah. So we're gonna get some fresh veggies. I'm thinking of doing my hair because you know I'm tired of doing it.
Yeah, buy her hair today.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy hair today.
Well, if I walk in, nothing ever can. I know which part you got way up in them place, you know.
You hear him already complaining, guys. What is wrong with men and walking to get the best price? Something is wrong with them, you know.
I like convenience.
You can't I can't send Mandel to buy nothing for me. I will give Mandel a set of money, give him a list. The list will have a price. Mandel will come back with half of the list because I'm not walking.
The money done.
Because I'm not walking to go get the price that I had set.
No.
You know, I don't know what's wrong with men. When you go town, you're supposed to walk your
For
foot.
what?
Walk to see.
First things first, people. Alright. No offense to people who love downtown. I hate downtown. Reason being, too much people, too much crowd. Me not like rub up on people. Me hate it. My high school teacher, biology teacher, used to call it molly rub up. Me not like rub up on people.
You see, if Mandel would have leave the house, I'm going to tell him, we wouldn't need to rub up on people. Because a lot of people, they don't.
Me go downtown 6 o'clock in the morning with their mother. That place packed same way. Downtown
that is a restaurant place where them sell food for people who have restaurant. No, open and full up.
I know that me talk about. Me talk General Kingston. Still full. To me. Your food and my food are two different food.
You know how I know that's not true? Because I've been to town at 6 o'clock. Majority of the stores are empty. The place is pretty empty. Matter of fact, you could have robbed a store and nobody knows. That's how empty downtown is, right? At that time.
To me,
but
it's
where
still
he
full.
went is where people who owns restaurants and like, you know, look, corner shop or whatever, need to get some groceries before the day actually starts for them customers to roll in that shop there. It's gonna have people because again, it's open before the time.
Again.
So don't listen to Mandel.
Everywhere me look the full. I mean not that place alone because the initial place where she did go, that never have what she want. So we end up go different place.
Again.
To
The
me,
stores that are open before 6 o'clock downtown are stores that
all right, my
open
point
for
is,
persons who have businesses.
where would they go? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock would they go down there? No. And my point is too much people still there down there.
Anyways, as I was saying,
Me not like
not to put Mandel in a bad position, but where we live far away from the town, right? And if I had my way, I would be living in the area so I could just jump on a taxi, take a bus, and go there myself.
Live close to downtown?
No, Mandel, live in the town. We don't live in the town. We live on the outskirts of Kingston and St.
Guys, I have a thing with heat. I hate it.
I hate tea too, but I'm also at a disadvantage because one, where I gonna get to go to town? I could go to town by myself, you know. My mother who watches this show can tell you that I and I, when she took too long for go to town, and she drives by the way, I jump on I go out to the main road, take something, I walk my foot, to take something, make for walk, and go take the bus.
But
or
people
take a
love
taxi.
downtown.
And go get what I need.
The people love
No, people love downtown. It's inconvenient to me where I live. Because I would need to drag you to go nowhere with me. I don't need to drag you.
My point.
But I have to drag him to come to town with me because we live on the outskirts.
Don't get me wrong, you know. I will go
I
downtown.
bite my lip to live where we live because of his.
Listen what me I say. Listen what me I say. I will go downtown now because what do I go downtown by myself? If I go buy myself them because I know some I find my products them down there. But here I go in and I come out. So that's not the issue. It's when people, it's when time I go downtown with ladies now. That's the issue. That is my issue. Remember when time I go downtown with she and her mother. Jesus Christ. Hey, everywhere I get a stop.
No, that's my mommy. No, my mommy stop everywhere. Not even I can do that. I know where I'm going. My mommy, she does have a map in her head like they should go in here, she go in there. No, she doesn't have a map in her head.
Me complain when time Julie alone. Cause Julie love go walk places, lengthy places. You see which
That's not
me know which part she
true.
go by the year no, or she go check for the year there.
Yeah, check.
And that a way up a one part.
It's on Princess Street. Princess Street is not way up on a part.
Well, if I walking.
It's not all
People them don't know where Princess Street.
People them know who live in town know Princess Street.
Yeah, majority of people might not know. My point is a whole heap of walking and a whole heap of bouncing of people, which is my problem is bouncing up on too much people. You know? I like bouncing up on
Wrap yourself in a bubble.
Yeah, I'm glad I could have but I cannot do it. You get me? I say
Buy one of them space suit then.
and I scam people, you know. No, don't get me wrong. But you see them pickpocket there and them thief there.
They're rolling crowds.
They're rolling crowds.
Yeah.
You get me? I'm trying to say, I like to take myself out of them situation there. Back to the thing with ladies now. Walking go downtown with ladies. Especially mothers and daughters together. It's never a good idea. Guys, never. Never. I walk, me two of them a bun me. And all that, them two just a walk up and down. Just a walk up and down. I'm not tired. I'm not tired. I say, if me is supposed to run with them, me can run a lot more distance than them. If me supposed to say me I'll go somewhere and walk, probably me can walk more than one. But you see, round town now, it just get a feeling. I just a woman.
And you know we don't walk that long.
Just a
But it feel like hours for them.
Hours me I walk. And then panta fight, you know. I mean I carry most of the bag panta fight, you know. Yeah, me I try to say. So
I carry bags too, don't do that.
I say most of the bag. Never say you don't carry no. But so you see, me I carry most
There
of the
is the option to go back to the car, let off
no,
the
that
load,
is the problem again.
and then go back to shop again.
The car, the way down on one part. So for me, for every minute, go get the items, them come back at the car place. No, me can't bother with that.
That's what me and my mother would do.
That's why I told them these now burn me. Cause we actually reach at the car, you know, and we end up
Go back on the road.
go back on the road again. And the sun downtown and normal.
Oh, yes.
The closer you get to waterfront, and the hotter the sun get. That are the reason why I don't like living in the town. I like which part I live. It cool, I can see the fog that I roll by from time to time. You get it when I try to say? But in the sun hot down here, I say, nah man. And then downtown, it just hot. And which part of the car park? Jesus Christ.
The sun is blazing.
The sun blaze. And then they want to dead off quick now.
We're soaking in some vitamin D.
Yeah,
well, technically that's not true because the vitamin D is from sunrise and
the good vitamin. Them
it's
they
from
are
sunrise.
Them
so
they are UV rays burning my skin.
definitely.
Skin cancer people, them all over the place.
But we were made strong, right? We were made strong. So we can go through the heat and come back. You get me? But man, I just feel like they're whining too much.
I'm not whining too much.
I think they're whining too much.
Let me tell them. We like to be practical.
Funny enough,
and we like to be
man will
convenient.
jump high hell and high water for see a pretty a walk past. Yet still, when the pretty bring them guts on them complain. You hear this?
Yeah, not worth it. You know worth it. Too much walking. Too much sun and too much walking. And again,
Believe it or not, this black man afraid of sun. Badly.
the thing is, I am black. Me I chop more eat than anything else. I am extra black. I know what the worst part. Me go wear black today. Me I chop
You're
more.
always in a black. You're always in a something dark.
On top of that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a default
I think
setting.
something dark.
It's my default setting. Yeah, wear something black.
Black wear black.
You get me? I try to say. So me just I attract more heat. My skin tone kind of match me kind of half it. If you're there in the night,
Can't see him.
you can't see me. If me smile, you probably have see me.
Actually, no, that's not true. We don't see me though.
This me.
This is the truth. You're frightening me all the time.
Oh, you're not frightening me too. Yeah.
At least I'm able to be seen. You frighten me all the time.
I never see
You have to make sound for me to know that you're around. That's a difference here.
You're not frightening me too.
That's when my face look away. Like if I just wake up and
Guys. But back to the moral of the story. Back to the moral of the story. Me nah have nothing against people who go downtown for shopping because, to be honest, I do it as well. And as I say, why do I go downtown? I just go in and out to get my 2 items them and out. My problem is walking with to go downtown when me know
you can stay in the car and I'll walk up and down. I have no problem.
anyways. And then now I have to walk go in between crevices and corners and all these things.
We stay on the main road. What crevices and corners are you with?
And mommy, me not going down there again. Just put that out here.
My God.
If you say I go downtown,
We ain't following.
me not fella here. No sir, I'm gonna take it.
Oh,
I'm gonna
my
take
God.
it. But for today, I go downtown. I drop.
We haven't been there for a while.
Now man, I want someone something just gonna go back.
Usually, but we haven't been there for a while.
That not kill me. To be fair, it's not killing me. I'm still gonna complain, but it not kill me. I'm just stuff it out and
This is actually gonna be our exercise for the day because we skipped our exercise routine this morning.
Oh, can you go back?
Huh? No, but we skipped our exercise routine this morning, so we're gonna do some walking. So let's.
Definitely I gotta lose some weight.
No, we're not. I walk all the time, so I don't lose weight back from walking. But probably Mandel does because he sits majority of the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, he sits majority of the time. Anyways, guys, this is just part 1 of 2. I'm sure you're gonna hear the rest of the complaints later when we're coming back from town. Because we have a busy day today, extra busy. So pretty sure you're gonna hear more. Gonna hear more. Oh, just to give you guys an update. I'm not sure if you have watched my NCB Benton. So I was refunded my money. If you were wondering, actually somebody come and asked me at work if I was refunded. So yes, I was refunded. Thank you for asking. I'm not really thanking NCB. You guys owe me my money for almost 3 months. So but thank you for giving me finally. Mwah!